Alpha Yankee, descent altitude 6,000 feet on QNH 1005, clear, turn nav approach runway 27 via point Boston, and start the descent according to the profile.
Thank you, descent on the profile for the on-off 27, cleared for the on-off 27, descending 6,000 feet and 1009. Tango, okay.
Autopilot disconnect.
Sierra Tango Alpha Yankee, latest QNH 1004.
Correct, 21004. Okay. Tower J, Zulu Sierra Tango Alpha Yankee on the on-off profile. Runway 27.
Altitude.
Zulu Sierra Tango Alpha Yankee, continue approach runway 27, number 1, QNH 1004. Wind now 170 degrees, 27 knots, maximum 36.
That's all, copy. I'd like to cancel IFR actually and continue the approach Victor Mike Charlie. And in case of a go around, then continue visually.
Zulu Sierra Tango Alpha Yankee, IFR and flight plan cancelled at 27.
Copy, VFR.
Zulu Sierra Tango Alpha Yankee, winds now 170 degrees, 26 knots, maximum 36, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 27.
Zulu Sierra Tango Alpha Yankee, vacate left via Charlie, when vacated, contact ground 121.7.
Charlie 121.7, thank you. Ground hello, Zulu Sierra Tango Alpha Yankee and Charlie to the party.
Access Zulu Sierra Tango Alpha Yankee to the left for stand number 1.
Left stand number 1, thank you.